Happy 2023! Woo! Woo! Still alive and kicking here in the old attic. Hey, this is Big Edster, and I'm going to bring you 3 updates. So this will be one of my longer videos, and I apologize for that. Well, anyway, everybody knows that we just got the Salvino kits, you know, when you're in their club. Well, I've got 10 of them, and my number 11 was hanging from the mailbox, and somebody stole it. That's all I got left. They cut the bag and took the kit. Them bastards. So anyway, the last Salvino kit everybody got and was showing off, well, mine's gone. That's how my postman does it. He hangs them in a bag from my mailbox. It's been working fine for all this time, and now here we go. That's all I got to show for it. Bummer. Big rig group build. This is my, like I say, I'm handheld, so it's crazy here. My white Freightliner. This is what I built. And this is what I am building. Nothing's in clear coat yet. I still got some detailing to do here on the chassis. But it's coming along pretty darn good, I think. Man, it's too long to even turn on the table. I did lengthen the frame about this far right here. And I don't know, it's turned out pretty good. The wheels are just on there for right now. They're not glued on, but I found those on a website, and I can't remember what site, but I can find out if anybody's interested. Those are pretty cool. And there we go. So anyway, there's that. Here's the interior, which is just a generic interior. You won't be able to see it anyway when it's in the cab. Here is the cab, which, like I say, I got a clear coat yet. I'm going to 2K clear everything. Salute, America. Other than that, that's what that is. And then, I don't know if anybody's built this. I've never made a video on it, but I built this thing. And I didn't go stock with it. I used, it doesn't even say here. Well, anyway, it has an option where you can go and put the front and rear custom on it, I guess. And I did that. And boy, what a pain in the butt that was. But there's the motor. Interior looks pretty good in there. Didn't turn out too bad. Underneath. So it's kind of a final on that. An update on that. Oh, I forgot. Here's my Coke machine I did. That came with the Pinto. So I did have a Coke and a smile. But other than that, that's a small little update starting out 2023. Hopefully I'll have this big rig group build done this week and put that one to bed. And let me see. I'll probably be doing an attic update here pretty soon. I got a lot of kits that I need to show, I guess. Other than that, guys and gals, moms and dads, boys and girls, cats and dogs. This is a Big Edster, alive and well in the attic. Peace!